how to change the cold vibration pattern on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next tap on sounds and vibration. Then tap on cold vibration pattern. Now by default it is set to basic cold, and down here you can select a different vibration pattern. Now the vibration is so loud that you can actually hear it, so if I change it you can hear. So there you go, and that's it. Finally you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to your previous screen, or you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.